welcome to the channel. So in this video we will discuss about assignment operators in Python which are used to assign values. So in our earlier videos we have covered other operators like logical, comparison and arithmetic. So in this video we will cover assignment operators, right? So what are assignment operators? So basically assignment operators in Python are used to assign or update the value of a variable, right? So like the most basic one which we use in our day-to-day coding is equal to sign, right? So basically it is used to assign the value to a variable. For example, maybe we can write something like x equal to 10, right? This is assigning a value of 10 to the variable x, right? So there are other types of assignment operators which we can use in Python. For example, as you can see in the screen, we have plus equal to, which is nothing but x equal to x plus 5. If we write x plus equal to 5, it means x equal to x plus 5. So in the same way, all the other operators also work. For example, minus equal to, if we write x minus equal to 3, it means x equal to x minus 3. Multiplication, we have x asterisk equal to 2 means x equal to x multiplied by 2. So like that, in the same way we have others also, right? So I will show you the example of all the operators. So we can write something like x equal to 5, which is very easy, which we have seen in other videos also. Next, let's say x plus equal to 5. Okay, it means what? X equal to x plus 5. Okay, then we have x minus equal to 3. Okay, it means what? X equal to x minus 3. So let me just copy it from here. So all are same, it behaves in the same way. Okay, so let me just put example for each of one so that it is easy to understand. Okay, so now let me just print it out. Okay, so if I run this, so let's just see from here. So x plus 5, x equal to x plus 5. Now the x value changed to 10. It was 5 earlier, now x plus 5, which is 10. Now we have x minus equal to 3 means x minus 5. It will become 7. Okay, sorry, it was 3, not 5. It is 3. X minus 3, right? So now the x value we have seen, it becomes 10 here. So 10 minus 3, which is 7. Now x is 7. Now we have multiplied by 2. So 7 2, if we multiply, then it will become 14. Now x is 14. Now 14 divided by 4, it means it will become 3.5. Okay, now 3.1 divided by 4, so we are getting 0 because it is less. So let me see, by 2. Okay, so now we will get 3.5 divided by 2, which will come in point, and the minimum value will be 1. It's a floor division, right? So it will be 1, then 1 modulo 5 means 1 divide modulo 5, the remainder will be 1 only. Let me change the value to something else. Okay, now here it will become 35, then here 32 because we are minus 3, then 32 multiplied by 2, which is 64. 64 divided by 4, which is 16. Then 16 floor division, it will become 8, right, by 2. then 8 modulo 5, the remainder will be 3, and then 3 exponential of 3 will be 3 3s are 9. Okay, so these are all the assignment operators which we can use in Python, and it helps to simplify our code by combining the arithmetic operation and assignment into one step. So we don't have to write like this, we can just write in one step like this. Okay, so this is all for assignment operator. I hope you like this video. Please comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.